Is this TONGATE wallet case for the Z Fold 7 going to be worth it for your Z Fold 7? Let's find out. So first off, starting off on the back here, you do have a full lens protector slider. You can slide that right over, and that does expose your camera lenses and your flash, and then you can slide it back over once you are done using your camera, but that does offer a lot more protection for your camera lenses. Also on the back is going to be the wallet piece, so that does flip out, and there is a place you can put your finger to flip it out. All you have to do, flip it right out, and then it's gonna expose the card holder, and you can fit up to 3 or 4 cards in there. And not only does that act as the card holder piece, but once it's flipped it up, you can also use it as a horizontal stand for your phone as well. Flipping it over to the screen side, you do get a full built-in screen protector, and it is gonna be a privacy screen protector, so if you have it at an angle like this, no one can see what you're doing. And then that piece also does have raised edges, so even more protection when it comes to that screen side too. And last but not least, there is a piece that goes down the whole spine of the phone, and not only does that protect the spine, but it does act as an automatic hinge too. So when you open and close your phone, it will move with it. And then if you want to unfold your phone and keep it like that, it will snap in. Overall though, I think this case is going to be great for anyone that wants kind of an all-in-one. You can hold your cards in here that you use every day, whether it's debit, credit, or anything like that. It's a full all-around case as well, has all the protection that you need when it comes to the lenses, even the spine of the phone, plus the screen side, you have that built-in screen protector. Definitely going to be a convenient and great daily case.